Hey guys, so today we are going to make the basket, and you're going to need some glue, some tape, one piece of cardstock, a pencil, scissors, and a ruler. Let's get started. All right guys, so today we're going to make the basket. Here is the basket. And actually I said we were done with our 6x6 inch square, but we are not. We're gonna make another one today. So for this, you're going to need a 6x6 inch square, and then for the handle, a 6x1 inch long tapered piece. Here's some white paper. I'll take my ruler. Let's see, let's do the 6x6 inch square first. I'm not sure if I like the white paper. I think it kind of washes everything out. I thought it would be better for videos. Not a fan. Maybe I'll switch back to yellow. So 6x6 inches. And I'm gonna draw a line. Draw a line. Now I'm gonna do the 6x1 inch square up here. Marking 1 inch. It's really easy to just do it right on top of this. 1 inch. Whoa, that was a mistake. All right, there is my 6x1 inch handle and my 6x6 inch square that I'm now going to cut out. All right, now we're going to place dots on the left and right at 2 and 4 inches. We're going to do that on each side. So take your ruler, and we're going to place a mark here at 2 and place a mark here at 4. See that? 2 and 4. Then we're going to turn it and do the same thing. Place a mark here at 2, place a mark here at 4. I would encourage you to obviously be doing these projects with your children, and if you need to, do it the night before so you know what you're doing and you don't have to keep looking at the book, because I've been there. All right, so now we're gonna draw lines here, here, and here, and here, and we're gonna bisect this into 9 squares. So I'm gonna start with these. Mine is not perfect. Made a little mistake here. We'll just pretend it's a happy accident. All right, now we're gonna hold the paper at the bottom and we're gonna cut lines to the center square. We're gonna cut the top and the bottom, so just these. I'm gonna cut here to this center, here to here, here and here. Turn. So now we have this and this. All right, so now we're going to fold against the ruler. You can crease them with your fingernail like they say too. Just make sure, I'm gonna do nice folds to make sure everything All right, then it says to place the paper on the desk with the cut lines at the bottom and the top. I'll spread the paste on the upper and lower right squares. Now for this, we're gonna fold in half lengthwise. This is the handle, and paste together. All right, it says to allow it to dry. I don't really have time for that. It says to make it have a nice curve in it. They want it to have a nice curve. And it says to put it on the left and right sides of the basket. I like to secure the handle with some tape just so it stays on. And you can also just tuck it, or you can tuck it down in the middle here if you want to tuck it in between the sides so it doesn't even show. And I like to put a piece of tape on it. She doesn't really say to do any of that, but so I tucked it in the sides and then just placed a piece of tape over it to make sure it stays. She says to paste the handle on the left and right sides of the basket, but doesn't exactly say how, so that's just how I do it. There you go, there's the basket. So cute. I think it would be great to put a little egg in it for like a little Easter egg hunt.